guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you can download and install Audacity application. First of all, if you have Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, 11 or even 12, then this video is for you. Go to your search tab and type Microsoft Store. Click on the application to open and wait a few seconds until the main page is there. Next step, click in the Search Apps menu in the top and type Audacity. Hit enter. Audacity application should be the first one or the first results showing. So here we have it. Click on the application. Provided and updated by Muse Group. That's it. Click on install. The installation process should start and the download and installation should be automatically done. And after a few minutes, 1 or 2, we should be prompted to open the application and to run it. I will pause the video here since everything is done automatically, and I will take back once the manual input is needed. Windows might ask you if you're ready to allow the application to make changes to your computer. You can go ahead and click yes. As you can see, it says installed. We can go ahead and close our Microsoft Store. Next step, go to the Start menu, and you will see as recently added Audacity. If you don't see it, type in your search bar, Audacity, and you should be able to see the application. Click on it to open, and your application should be running smoothly. Let's wait for it to open. The logo is coming, and after that, the application. Here we go. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.